Hello guys, welcome back to the Science and YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily science videos. So today our lecture is about the Newton first law of motion. In this lecture we will define and explain this law with example. So the Newton first law of motion states that if object is moving, so it will continue its motion, right? If object is moving, then it will continue its motion. Unless there is no force act on this object. It means that the force acting on this object is zero. When the external force acting on this object is zero, then this object will always be in motion. For example, if I consider this is in a car moving on the road, so when this car is moving in this direction, so this is the road and this is the car. So this car will continue its motion throughout the lifetime. When there is no external force acts, it will never stop. If object is moving, then it will continue its motion throughout the lifetime when the external force is zero. But it stopped. Why? Because actually the friction forces are coming on the car, and these friction forces from the road as well as the wind forces. So these forces makes the car to stop. Otherwise, if there is no external force acting on this car, it will continue its motion throughout the life. So it is the one statement of this law. The second statement is, if the object is at rest, then it will always be at rest. When there is no external force act on this object. For example, if I consider this is any ball placed on any surface, this is a ground surface, and this is the ball placed on the ground surface. So when there is no external force, for example, if there is no external force acting on this ball on any side, so this ball will never move from its own position. But when a person comes or a children comes and they push this ball, so it will start motion, because now the force is coming. But when the force is equal to zero, so this ball will be always at rest. This is the statement of the first law of motion. There are two statements. Again, the first statement states that object will never stop its motion unless external unbalanced force acts on this object. The second one is that it will always be at rest unless there is no external force acts and it pushes the ball. So this was the definition of the Newton first law of motion. Subscribe our channel for daily science videos. Thank you for watching our video.